Start of car detailing in India. Guys, to answer this question, let me take you back a little in 2002 and 2003 when this all foreign companies started coming in India with their new brands of products. These services was brought along with them to offer like a bundling offer or an upgrade offer along with the sales of cars. Now that is how these came to India. Most popular services all over the world were like protection of your paint by using waxes or polymer coatings or maybe Teflon coatings, and these became popular in India. Now just to understand how dealership operates in India, they have a contractual operational nature, and just because of those kind of nature their focus is more on sales of car. If you go back and realize a little bit of thing, if you can see the trends which has happened to car dealerships in India, accessories, your wheel balancing, alignment stores, your painting, denting, body shop, everything of these services of this nature, customer has started looking outside the dealership, and that is how those markets have also very developed in India. So similar thing happened to car detailing also, because there was lack of consistency in the quality, in the products and the professionalism shown towards car detailing in India. This industry also moved out. Customers started looking for some professional detail shops in India. 2006 was a time when these demand were gearing up. We as a CASPA also established around that period. We were one of the pioneers in establishing a full-fledged detail studio which is located outside the dealership to offer very good professional quality detailing services. To join this bandwagon, you can very well understand that when anything moves fast, there are trends in the market, waves in the market, people follow those waves. So car detailing was a new wave in the industry. There are many people joined this bandwagon. Organized, unorganized players entered this market, and that is how the birth of car detailing happened in India. And now you can see there are plenty of car detailing stores in India. Today, this is an era of ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is the most popular services in car detailing. These services have become popular primarily of 2-3 reasons. If I talk about the first, is because often car accessory market is dying. Cars are coming fully loaded from the factory, and there is no need to spend any penny on the car to upgrade the car. So desire of spending money on new car is channelized to car detailing and protecting the car with good ceramic coating and PPF. As you see, the car owners are going young. People are buying cars at much younger age than before. The change in lifestyle, buying premium products, and all those things are also fueling the demand of ceramic coating. Demand for premium services among millennials is increasing across every sector and industry. If you can see, or we can compare it to the parallel industry of salon industry, earlier it was just an haircut, a barber shop. Now if you see from last few years, plenty of high-end saloons have come up in the country, and majority of the millennials and people are going to avail these services. A chunk of their wallet is going to high-end services, premium salon services, rather than a basic haircut. A basic haircut to compare with detailing is just a car washing, and to compare with salon further, the premium detailing services like paint correction, your ceramic coatings and PPF, and this is how this market is going at. Look at the salons which have come up in the country. They are so much bigger, high-end, premium, the kind of ambience and everything they offer. Look at the new generation salon owners. They don't belong to that traditional barber family. There are new people who are putting up these stores, and similarly this is the trend what we have seen in car detailing also. So guys, similar to the salon, even car detailing stores have gone very premium. They have gone much bigger, more professional. There are plenty of good brands, national, international chains of stores have come up. The stores are very professional, high end, fully equipped with the latest equipments and products. So this is the way the current scenario in India is, that car detailing has established with a good foundation of very good stores coming in. And guys, believe me, this is the what is the main thing in car detailing industry. Have gotten very nice setup, and now we are fully confident to leap ahead from this era to next era of car detailing. Market potential. So let me try and answer this question in a little simpler way. First is awareness about car detailing. Look around your friend circle, or maybe go around your friend circle and understand how many people who own car have availed ceramic coatings. Or let me tell you, they may not be even aware about these kind of services. So this boils down to a huge gap between the car owners and awareness towards these kind of services, which itself is gonna be a very huge market potential. But if you talk about little numbers, the way car sales are growing in our country, so similar kind of services called wheel balancing and alignment services, for these we have more than 25-30,000 stores across the country. And car detailing, which is setting up, has only 2,000 or 3,000 stores, somewhere in between them. So even the gap, to fill a service gap also, India would need at least 10-12,000 new stores to fill in that gap of demand of car detailing in coming years. Secondly, more and more awareness towards these detailing services are gonna rise, and this will fuel up the businesses of existing shops also. Those who are already in business, they are gonna bound to grow with more awareness. More people setting up these kind of shops will increase the potential of market, and that is why those who are entering now, this is the right time to enter. You will always have an early mover advantage, and looking to these points, I firmly believe India has very huge potential towards the market of car detailing in future. Our vision and mission has not changed a bit from day one. From last 15 years, we are striving to offer the best quality products, best services in car detailing industry. To fuel this, we keep on innovating the products time to time, be it a steam cleaner in 2007 to our latest bringing of graphene ceramic coating. This is what we want to achieve, or this is our mission. We strongly believe serving the end customer, the car owner, with honest pricing, honest policies and honest products. In addition, our goal is to create a community of educated detailers who in turn will educate the end user, create market awareness to deliver the best quality services and products at honest pricing. So if you have passion for cars and looking to enter this thriving business of car detailing, we invite you to join our ever-growing Car Spa franchisee network family. We strive hard to make you successful and achieve your dreams in car detailing industry. Join us and become a successful detail pruner. Happy detailing.